Hi guys, it's Matthew with Autos&Photos, and I have a ton of videos that I've never put together, but one of the ones that got the most views was the one about this 2017 Chevy Silverado that we put a bunch of little doodads on, and it's at the end of the lease now, and we have decided not to actually keep it. And I know that I had stated before that I was building it for my daughter to go away to school, but we have decided that this truck does not accommodate us very well. The double cab is good to throw some little ones in, but all of my children are grown. My youngest is 6'1". My daughter is 5'9". And so even putting her in the middle seat between two 6-foot-plus boys, this truck isn't good for us. So we have had an inspection for the lease company, and they are going to charge me for upgrading the tires. So word to the wise, when you're leasing a vehicle and your dog wants to be next, leasing a vehicle, they want stock tires. And this is really the stupidest thing, because these tires are an upgrade, but they're going to charge me $1,000 to put the lesser tires that don't cost that much on the vehicle. Anyways, we're undoing things today. We've taken the bed extender off already. We've taken our rear decal off the back window. We had already done that. And now we're going to take this side step off. I'm really doing this just to say that on a leased vehicle, just be wise to what you put on it. Make sure that you can take it off, and make sure you get an inspection before you actually turn it in, so that you can undo or fix the things that they want to charge you for. So we're going to start undoing stuff now. This guy thinks he's going to help, and I hope he doesn't, so I can do something. I need the
tools.
Wait, what's unfortunate? It's gonna be unfortunate when it falls on your head. You broke it?
I think I broke. There.
It is gonna fall on my head.
Okay, so we take all the hardware. Make sure we did all the pieces.
Okay, righty, tighty, lefty.
It should be set to loosen it.
We should go to the beach.
Yeah.
So we don't eat the beach.
Take that tool, get underneath here, and undo this. Oh.
I lost it. But I got it. Oh no, it went inside. I got it. It went inside the screw thingy. I got it.
Shoot. Oh, there it is. How do I get it out?
You went out.
Hold it.
Hold what?
Hold it, wait for it. My pinky's doing all the work.
I got a pinky bleed.
Let's get this out. It's gonna be a miracle.
You want me to try? I
Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
You dropped it. Get out of here, dude.
Take these and put them on the end of those screws. And I need another moving blanket or something.
Say you just did this.
Okay, so we just got the side steps off, and it's really not worth doing this. I mean, this is probably like a $30 piece, but I'm just not going to give them any excuse to charge me for something that I put on the vehicle. So anyways, we're going to take this off, and then we're going to call the dealership. They said they would actually pick up the vehicle. So the truck is serviced pretty good. We've liked it, but it's just not exactly the kind of truck that we're wanting to keep. So we're going to send it. It's gone. And we only have like 8 or 9 other cars right now. So when I get my video crap going again, I will bring you more videos of, I would say, the fun toys that we have. But sometimes they're not so much fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully I get this up sometime soon, if my camera person / editor will cooperate. And I don't know, anything else I need to add, Michaela?
Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. Yes, that's always good. We appreciate it. Okay, till next time.